What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on PLTR stock. First of all, brief information about this company. Palantir Technologies operates as a holding company which engages in the development of data integration and software solutions. It operates through the commercial and government segments. The commercial segment offers services to clients in the private sector. The government segment provides solutions to the United States federal government and non-US governments. It offers automotive, financial compliance, legal intelligence, mergers and acquisitions solutions. Its products include Palantir Gotham and Palantir Foundry. Here is their financials, and as you can see, their total market cap for now is $43.64 billion, and they have revenue of $1.09 billion with net income of negative $1.17 billion. And they have total cash of a little bit more than $2 billion with the total debt of $456.86 million. And their current ratio is amazing. It is 3.74, and everything that is above 1.5 is a great current ratio. It is a very stable company, and the only concern is this number. But let me clarify a little bit why it has happened. We are on their website, we are on investors section, and here is their financials. And as you can see, they have a loss from operations of more than $1 billion. And here is some more data that they have a total stock-based compensation expense of $1.27 billion. And basically they decided to give this money to their employees, and that's why I think this company is extremely successful, because imagine how hard they will work for this company. And without this amount, let me show you this number. Income or loss from operation excluding stock-based compensation, related employer payroll taxes, and no recurring direct listing charges. And as you can see, at the end of 2020, they have more than $189 million of profit, and it is a 17% of adjusted operating margin. And last quarter of 2020, they have more than $104 million in income, and it leads us to 32% of adjusted operating margin. And they are profitable. As you can see, they are profitable, and it's an amazing company, and that's why I think you have to at least put this company in your watch list. And here is the article on Investor Place, and it was published on March the 4th, and it says 4 stocks that could crash soon. These companies suffer from the volatile or quickly decelerating share prices. On the second bullet we have Palantir Technologies. And why is that? And the author of this article, he says that investors struggled with what to make of the Denver-based company that is named after a stone in the Lord of the Rings books and claims to specialize in big data analysis, but has several large contracts with the US Department of Defense and other governments around the world. He says basically that it's not enough to have just several contracts with governments. But let me remind you that Palantir is the only company that can provide this type of service. And imagine if US government is satisfied about this partnership, will they break this contract, or they will make more contracts with this company? I think the answer is obvious. And that's why I completely disagree with this article, but I have to provide all the information that I have for now in order to you make your own decision to invest or not in this company. And let me show you this information. They have new contracts in Q4 2020 include Rio Tinto, PG&E, BP, US Army, US Air Force, FDA and NHS, and it is only for Q4. But if we open their news section, and you can see how many contracts they already signed in 2021. Palantir and 3M expand relationships to build dynamic supply chain. Launching ERP suite to deliver cost savings for AWS customers. Palantir and ARK collaborate on legal digital service platform. IBM and Palantir partner to help business easily deploy powerful and open AI applications. Palantir and BP partnership. So they have so many contracts already signed, and I think it is a great sign for the company that they are expanding their market, and they are about to have a revenue growth of 45% in Q1 2021, and I think it is a great intention of this company. And all these information leads us to this website. It is a Fintel.io, and as you can see, all the green lines represent the buyers of the company, and all the red ones represent sellers. And we have only two recent sales, and these two companies, they closed their position, but you have to understand that these two companies combined, they close only $4,000 in value in this company. And for example, only UBS Asset Management Americas, they invest around $1.5 million. So I think it's no doubts that this company is amazing, and this data proves my information. We are on a website that tracks all the buys and sells of ARK investment companies. It is the most successful, in my opinion, investment fund, and it leads by Kathy Wood. And as you can see, on March and on late February, they are buying despite this decline in volume. And let me show you the recent buys. They made it on February 18th, February 26th, March the 3rd, and March the 5th. And here is February the 18th. It is the same date where my previous video was published. Then February 26th, it's right here. Then March the 3rd and March the 5th. So they are heavily buying. And before we dive deep into the technical analysis itself, please subscribe to my channel with notification bell and hit the like button. In this case, you won't miss my next video. So here is my breakdown, and for now it is completely legit, and I just want to add this C wave to this level, and it is very good sign for the price for the company that we poke through this level and then bounce back. So we have a strong resistance right here at 0.65 region, and it is very bullish candle. As you can see, the name of this candle is Hammer, and as you can see, we have a huge volume. This implies that bears try to push price down, but then bulls regain the control and push all the way to the upside. And despite the red color of this candle, it is extremely bullish, because bulls regain the control and they push the price back. And basically, as you can see, we've hit all of my three accumulation targets, and this means your average price should be around $27, and it is very good average price. And if you are new on my channel, you can add your position right here at the opening hours, and you can buy each and every red day with the fraction of your money. And in the long run, I think this company will give you amazing profits. And as for me, I have shares of this company as well, and in my opinion, this company has a huge potential. So for now, there is nothing to add to this information, and if you like my videos, please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't done this before. See you guys and girls next time. Bye!